Thank you. Ang dami. Ang dami.
Hindi tinipid yan, ha?
Ayan, hindi tinipid. Eh, hindi rin naman tinipid ang
Eto
treat
pa
ko sa
pala.
inyo. Yan na.
Ano mo? Dali.
Wow. Ito.
Kasama pa si ano.
Thank you. Yan. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mami dyan. Yan. Bye-bye. Ang dami kong bulaklak. Bye. Thank you.
Hi everyone! So, today is Mother's Day and we're going to Midori. So, yun, I'm going to vlog kasi why not? I am still not sure kung anong short yung i-prepare ko with this top. I'm going to wear this off shoulders with this Louis Vuitton tie sa hair ko. Tapos, I want this one but I think it's too big kasi it's mommy's short. That's this one, I don't know if it's too small. This one, I don't like the color kasi brown na yun. And this is, ano, khaki I think, or light brown, something like that. I think it doesn't go well together. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so I ended up wearing a dress. I'll show you guys later. Now get ready with me for Mother's Day. Di ako yung nanay, ha. First is Skin 1004 sunscreen. Ubus na. We're going to use this BB cream from Caroline naman. See, no white cast at all. After that, we'll get going with blush. Nasira yung Caroline ni ate. Ang laki ng brush. Powder brush yata to. Pero I have no choice kasi kinuha ni mami yung mga binili kong brush. Kumuha din si ate ng dalawa or isa. Oh my God. Ba't hindi ko kulang pa rin kahit ang pula na? Next is contour. Mabilis ang contour. Look at that. Imagine nakalimutan mo i-blend. After that, concealer sa middle. I'll use this na lang. I think that's too much. That's too much. Di pala ako nag-concealer. May pa-shine effect siya. Para tuloy siyang highlighter. Hindi ko alam kung may ginawa ba yun, but yeah. Wala akong eyeliner. Hindi pa ako nakakabili. Okay. Next one is powder. Pinalitan ko yung puff niya kasi this one is the best puff. It doesn't make any difference though. Ba't ba ang liwanag ng mukha ko? One shape them. Wala na naman silang shape. Gosh. Oh, hindi pa pala ako nag-highlighter. That's last me. I look weird. Okay. Why do I look different sa salamin? Like, mayroong huge difference. Mascara. Sige, gagawin ko na din yung bottom. Lalagyan ko na din siya. Kadalasan kasi nagpapanda ay sa kung ingin naman ni Aki. Minsan natuwa ang pili ka. Ito yung ginawa. I am addicted to watching those types of transitions. Like, napanood ko yata lahat ng Ahsoka trend tsaka yung piliin mo ang Pilipinas trend. Hi! Look at that! Look at that highlighter! Oh my gosh, mga akong reindeer. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Oh my gosh, too much, too much. Too much. Look at that. I look like a clown. Ano kayang mascara ang anti-panda eyes? Okay, last is lipstick. This. I don't trust phones when it comes to makeup. It doesn't show the real makeup. Like, ang kapal sa salamin, pero wala naman siya sa camera. Mali naman yung pagka-apply ko eh. After that, lip balm. Look at how pretty that is. Tapos, last is... Yan. And we're done. This is the final look. Ang kilay. Baka magpakilay ako kay ate. Okay. See you. I forgot to do my hair. So, let's remove this. Ah! Tapos, ang Grace and Glow. I love Grace and Glow. Pati yung body wash ko, it's from Grace and Glow. Pero yung shampoo, ay kung anong bili ni Mami. What I hate most is when I smell, I'm scared. Kasi, mas okay nang you look like bruha kaysa you smell like bruha. Not sure kung babagay. Ito yung dapat i-wear ko with my off shoulder top. Hindi ganyan yan ah. I think it's bagay naman. There we go. I wanna show you the whole dress na. This is my fit with brown heels. Ang init pala. We're here. Dito pala kami. Parang pagpasok. Ayun. Malaos ko po. Stadium is welcome in English. Okay. Let's go. Ate. It's very bloody. I think this one is rare. Okay.
Happy Mother's Day po!
Thank you. Ayan, thank you. Kala ko yung ito. Ayan. Thank you. Ay!
Thank you po yun.
Thank you po.
Kaya ako bahala sa'yo mamaya.
are home. Bye-bye! Mwah! Ba't kasing ka? Kiss. Sarap ng tulog. No.